Hey, ooh, that's yellow. I don't know if that's Happy Vlogmas Day 20. Right? You guys, I don't know how I don't remember the date ever. I just got home. We are leaving this evening. So right after work, I went and got my car washed because I need to have, is it the 20th? Yeah. No, it's the 19th, you guys, 19. I don't know how I don't know the dates. And considering I write them, gotta write it like all day long. Car washed, eyebrows waxed. They feel so much better. And then I ran to Nordstrom's because I had to pick up a pickup thing. So I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I got this fanny pack, which I'm living for. It's Kate Spade. No, I did not spend a lot. This was like deeply discounted. And it's like such a perfect size because I hate to carry a bag when I'm in Disneyland. So it kind of looks like inside. And I have to carry my vlog camera. So just like not in my pocket is sufficient. So, or in my jacket pocket, which I do sometimes. So I got this and I'll fit the camera and anything else. And then I was leaving. I picked up this. I felt like I was totally justified in getting this because I've really been wanting this travel case, and it was on sale for the Nordstrom's anniversary sale, and I should have got it then, but you know, I didn't. So I'm picking it up now. It comes with 2 beauty blenders and then 2 cleansers, and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, these are like Juicy Berry is the blue cleanser, and Juicy Apple, like those are gonna smell so good. Enjoy in the original. So that's, I just thought that was a good deal. And I also then picked up the cleanser. I like cleaning my beauty blenders with this before the solid. I just soak it in the water. It gets a lot out, and then the initial cleaning for my brushes. So those are the things I got. Let's do advent calendar, and then I kind of show you where I am in the packing process. Okay, so let's do day 19. Oh my gosh, look how big 20 is. So exciting. Okay, day 19, here we go. Ooh, I have really been liking LMS. I'm feeling this is gonna be hard to get out. No, it wasn't hard. Of course, it's not hard when I expect it to be. So this is, let me see, is it focusing in on it? The LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I think I just got this in my BoxyCharm. But this is exciting. That's a really good size. Yeah. Okay, so I really need to pack. It's right now 4 o'clock and I'm leaving at 7. The gas tank is full, car wash, it's all ready to go, but I still need to pack up the car, go pick up my mom, and we're gonna grab dinner on the way out. So we're hoping to just kind of beat most of the traffic. It's why we're leaving today versus tomorrow. We're just staying in a Sheraton tonight, just tonight, and then we'll move into one of the Disneyland hotels tomorrow when my friends get there. So yeah, so kind of like what I'm gonna do is basically I might jump in the shower, take a quick shower, throw on really comfy clothes to head down there, because once we get there it'll be late and we'll just want to like crash, and that's it. So I started packing last night. I knew I'd have some time today, but I wasn't sure exactly how much, so I kind of was doing things. So this is kind of how I pack, just in case you're wondering. So here we are. Okay, so this was the original one I was going to use or carry on, but I'm moving over to this one. So one of the things that I do is that this is a trip that I'm not obviously flying, so I'm not really worried about sizes. So as long as it all fits, I think it's fine. So basically what I did is, as I'm getting ready last night and this morning, I start pulling things and putting them on my counter. These are the things I'm going to take, and that really helps me to not forget anything. So as I'm using it, I put it on the counter, I don't put it away, and then refill it. So I just take all of my full-size skincare because it's just so much easier for me. And when I get home, it feels like I have to unpack because they're all my full-size stuff. Not all of it's full-size, but most of it is. So I'm taking like my Drunk Elephant stuff, my SK2 deodorant, my mini body wash. I took like a mini oil, cotton rounds, a Purity. This is the Bobbi Brown face base, Travel Bioderma, toothpaste, Q-tips. I take a scrub, toothbrush, razor, my Ulla Hendrickson eye cream, let's look over here, contact, shampoo, conditioner. Oh, and this face wash that I really like. And so yeah, most of the full size fit, so that's ready to go. Okay, and then I have this clear bag where I keep all of my, what I consider bedside stuff. So I always keep my medications right by my bed, so I remember to take them. My lip sleeping mask and earplugs, and I can just throw this right next to my bed or in the drawer, and everything's there that I need and not just shuffling around. And then I do another clear bag with all of my hair stuff that I don't need in the shower. So like dry shampoo, volumizing, it's kind of just like a heat protectant, and my anti-gravity volumizer, and then hair things. And this just is really helpful because when you have to share a bathroom sometimes, like instead of having to take stuff out of like a bigger one, I can just grab this and take it out of the room and do my hair in the main room. So it's really helpful. And then I have all my clothes that I kind of already set out. Like my underwear is in here, undershirts, these are pajamas, jacket, shirt. So what I can just do is put these in packing cubes, and it helps me to really stay organized. And I think that's like all I have. I have like all my ear stuff. Don't even like try. It's very extra. My mini ears. I've got 2 that I'm going to take. And yeah, so that's kind of what I'm going to do. I know it's a shorter vlog, but I'd like to get this up so when I get, oh, I look awful. I need to take a shower. When I get to the hotel, I'm not having to worry about upload and internet and stuff like that. So I can just know that it'll go up tomorrow. But I'm excited to take you along with me to Disneyland. So I'll see you there. Bye.